Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix screen flickering on Motorola Razr Fold. First of all, if flickering occurred suddenly, try restarting your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Select and restart, and this will clear your device's temporary memory and also restart its sensors. So hopefully this issue will go away right after the restart. Then, if the restart didn't help you, you should go to settings on your smartphone, open display settings, and enable flicker prevention, which will prevent your screen from flickering in dark environments. But if this doesn't help you as well, you can also disable the adaptive brightness and set your brightness level manually. And if you're still having issues, then go to System Updates and update your device to the latest software version. Okay? And if you don't have any updates, or if updating your smartphone didn't help, try restarting your device into safe mode. To do that, you have to press the standard power button and volume up key at the same time. Then hold your finger down on the power off option and select OK on this message. And now if the flickering disappears in the safe mode, then most probably some application is responsible for the flickering that you were experiencing on your smartphone, and you have to uninstall all the suspicious applications from your smartphone in order to get rid of the issue. But generally, if it still flickers even in safe mode, then you should get your device inspected in certified Motorola repair center. Now, to restart your device and get back to the normal mode, you simply have to press power button and volume up key at the same time once again and select restart. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.